Hey there. If you've been thinking about buying a home in the Charlotte market, you probably heard a lot about interest rates lately. And let me tell you, there's been big fluctuations that have impacted our market here in Charlotte, North Carolina. But what does it really mean for you, whether you're buying or selling? And understanding how interest rates affect your plans can make a huge difference. So let's break it down. Why do interest rates really matter? Interest rates can feel like this big, scary number that's out of your control, but understanding what's happening with rates can help you make better decisions. Right now, October 2024, rates are hovering in the low sixes, which is higher than a couple of years ago, but it's still lower than historical averages. So what does that mean for you? For buyers, a higher interest rate means higher monthly mortgage payments. It might feel like you're getting less home for your money compared to when rates were lower. There are still opportunities to make smart purchases. For sellers, higher interest rates can sometimes slow down buyer activity. But that doesn't mean homes aren't selling. It just means buyers are more selective. So from a buyer perspective, let's say right now you're a buyer, and when interest rates rise, your mortgage goes up, which can be the limit of your budget. For example, if you're looking at $400,000 homes and the interest rate goes up by 1%, your monthly payment could increase by a few $100s. That's real money, right? But here's the silver lining. Home prices can sometimes soften, meaning that they aren't climbing as fast as they were in COVID. That's because fewer people can afford to buy at higher interest rates, which means less competition for you. We've seen 374 price decreases in the Charlotte market this past week. So while rates might be up, sellers are getting more flexible, offering things like closing costs and money to buy down your interest rate. This can be your opportunity to find a great deal on a home that fits your budget. Asking the seller to pay for a rate buy down is the way that I get lots of my buyers the rate and payment they want, and the sellers still are happy with their bottom line. If we can determine what their seller bottom line is, we can manipulate the numbers for a win on both sides, and everybody is happy. If you want to talk more about how I can help you like I help other clients, just reach out. Now, if you're thinking about selling your home, you might be worried that higher rates are scaring off buyers. And it's true. Some buyers might be holding back or adjusting their price range. But here's what's happening. The buyers who are out there are serious. They know the rate and they factor them into their plans. Their mortgage consultants have already gone over everything. Key is making sure your home is priced right and ready to attract those buyers. Remember, 253 homes closed in the last 7 days here in Charlotte. People are still buying. If you're worried about your home sitting on the market, it can help you position it to stand out even with the higher rates at play. So we're all going to be playing the long game here, not the short game. And that's what real estate is. It's a long game. Let's zoom out. Even if rates are higher today, they won't stay that way forever. Historically, rates fluctuate over time, and if you're a buyer, you can always refinance when they drop, as long as you qualify at that time. But if you find the right home now, it's still worth considering. For sellers, don't get discouraged by the headlines about rates. Buyers are still out there, and if your home is prepared, priced right, and marketed well, it will sell. In real estate, timing is important, but also strategy. Rates are one piece of the puzzle, and it's all about how you put that puzzle together. So if you're feeling a little better about navigating the market with these rates, whether you're buying or selling, interest rates are something to think about. But you shouldn't hold back from making your next move just based on interest rates. If you have questions, I'm here to help. Hit the subscribe button, follow me for more updates, or reach out to me directly. SellYourHomeCharlotte.com, and let's talk strategy and find the right plan for you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on how to navigate the Charlotte real estate market. I'll see you next time, Charlotte. Take care.